Welcome to IMS 2017.
How you guys doing? We here at IMS 2017, just getting in. Gonna go check out how things are, check out new bikes, and have some fun. So if you can have one bike for the rest of your life, what bike would it be? Put a comment down below. Oh, is this the SV? Oh, damn. This is a new SV 650, huh? So this is a bike that I'm thinking about getting right here. That looks clean. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh yeah, this has got me drooling. I like the color scheme. Alright, now let's go sit on one. I must sit on one.
That's what you want?
One of these.
What camera is that?
That's a GoPro.
GoPro? On that thing? Okay.
This is like the FC09 Kawasaki version, right? Yes. It's light. It's surprisingly light. I thought it was gonna be heavier. 900. What's the price? It's cheap.
No, it's not $8. No, this is not it. No. There's no. This is right. No. I don't think right.
I'm trying to see what it would be like on a longer ride.
Nice.
I don't think it comes with it. That can't be what it comes with. Yeah, these are 8,000.
If you pay plus $935.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
The seat's harder. Something different.
Yeah, it looks bigger than that bike. Yeah.
I can still flat-footed though. That's not bad either. This is pretty good looking. It's so hard trying to decide between bikes. Like everyone's coming out with a super naked bike now, and it's kind of what I'm looking for. Something for a longer commute, something that it's upright where my back doesn't kill me, to keep as a second bike. They have a 250?
In Japan,
Not here?
I don't think so. I think this year came out.
That looks good. That looks good for a 250.
Kawasaki stepped it up and said $399.
Alright, where's the Honda one? Oh my god, look at that exhaust. That is nuts.
Well, let's get a haircut.
I really need a haircut.
You should do it.
That is fucking beautiful. Look at that.
GhostNinja.
Yes, yes.
Python the Run.
Oh, how's it going, man?
Pretty good.
How's it going? You enjoying yourself?
My wife Erin.
Hello.
GhostNinja.
How's it going? You guys enjoying it?
Yeah.
Trying to make a video while we're here, do some. We did some riding today.
Go over to Harley. They're giving away Bluetooth headsets.
No.
Yes.
Where's Harley?
Right here.
They still have them?
Yes.
They,
Just sign up.
Well,
Really?
They should because they just gave them away about a half hour ago.
Where is Harley at?
The big Harley dealership. That way.
Okay.
And Geico will send you home with as many chapsticks as you want.
You guys
7
want to
of
be in
them.
the vlog? What's going on?
Bike on the run.
There you go.
Look
Go
at
check them
that.
out. There you go. All right, man. Nice seeing you guys.
Take it
I'm
easy.
definitely gonna go over there.
Nice meeting you. Oh.
So apparently Harley's giving away headsets. So we're gonna go check that out. See if we can get Bluetooth headset. So Red's finally off work. Finally decided to show up. Always late and shit. Fucking y'all. These guys want beer, so we're going over here to get beer.
It's a Bud Light and Pabst, right? Beer? Right up there.
Bud Light.
Yeah, we'll take a Pabst. I'll take the 24.
Take Modelo.
And what do you want?
I'll do that. Whatever you're getting.
Yeah, Pabst.
2 Pabst on Modelo?
Yeah. Sounds like it's gonna quench my thirst.
One Modelo, 2 Pabst, $39. $39. $39.
God damn.
Can I?
Yeah.
Y'all know Pabst is like $1.50, right?
I do.
That's why.
The prices, I'm afraid.
That's why I was like,
This is like
how did it? Hey, Kenny, how did that feel?
It hurts,
It's gonna taste good though.
but I'm thirsty.
Yeah,
I'm gonna do
yeah.
it anyway. I'm already committed.
It's already committed. He's already done. He's done the deed
This Pabst better make me unresistible.
to the
all
ladies.
women. I want to be unresistible to everybody.
Yeah, I think they have to drink it in order for that to happen. We get a hand from DSG. We get a handy from DSG here.
Handy.
A handy. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Beers. I
It is cold.
instantly feel like a better man.
I do. I agree.
Yeah.
It definitely is very refreshing, and I feel like I should buy a motorcycle. But
I feel like I want to buy this guy.
I must say today's been a fantastic day. A lot of riding and enjoying IMS and having fun. All right, so I'm probably gonna end the video unless we do some more drinking, and you might see some drinking shenanigans go on, because that's probably gonna go down. But you can see the whole crew's here. We're gonna go have some fun. Pretty much checked out everything we got here. Yeah. And we're gonna go ride some Triumphs. That's what we're gonna go do. Ride some Triumphs. That's what we're doing.